Hey Luv Bugz, welcome back to my channel. Today I created this look using the Maybelline Superstay 24-Hour Foundation in the shade 355 Coconut, and I also used the ABH Concealer in the shade Tan. So this is just a very simple glam look that I created today. Nothing major, no eyeshadow on the lid, just a full glam beat face and simple eyes. So if you guys would like to see how I created this look, you already know what to do. Stay tuned. I got you. I really wish that my whole entire video could have been a talk through. But when I first cut the camera on, my neighbor upstairs was making so much noise. I was like, oh, okay. Talk through for me today. Guess this is going to be a voiceover. But she quieted down a little bit. Well, whoever up there, quieted down a little bit. So I said, okay, now I can do my talk through. And now they're up there quiet. Hey Luv Bugz, welcome back to my channel. We're just going to jump right on into this tutorial. I'm going to start off by hydrating my lips with my Ruby Kisses Hydrating Lip Oil. Then we're going to move on to priming my eyelids using the Anastasia Beverly Hills Cream Concealer in the shade 6.0. And now I'm just taking a mini beauty sponge to blend the concealer in, and then I'm going to set it with some Sacha Buttercup setting powder. And for lashes today, I'm going to be stacking my favorite D-Wispy Beauty Supply Store lashes on top of my Ardell Wispy lashes. For moisturizer, I'm using my Beauty Glazed Rose Gold Elixir Oil. This can also be used as a primer, but today I'm just going to use it to moisturize my dry skin. Okay, glow, come through. I see you glowing, girl. Okay, for primer, I'm going to be using Maybelline's Master Prime. It's the Hydrate and Smooth. This is a new primer that they have added to their collection. And this is what I'm going to be using today for primer. My neighbors upstairs, they are making so much noise. It sounds like they're about to come through the ceiling enjoying this video with us. I don't know what they're doing. They're always loud. But anywho, I don't like to put a lot of primer on my forehead because I perspire, I sweat a lot. At the drop of a dime, I will start sweating. So this is the area where I put the least amount of makeup. Primer, foundation, everything. I try to just lightly apply in that area. So once my sweat get to coming, baby, it's a tragedy. But anywho, I'm all primed up. I'm going to be using the Maybelline Superstay 24-Hour Foundation in the shade 355 Coconut. Drinking my coffee. But anywho, this is the foundation we're going to be using today. And I'm just going to squeeze the pump onto a foundation brush, a e.l.f. foundation brush. That's one pump there. I skipped the whole step that I wanted to try today. The coffee got me on go. I need to focus, Ash, focus. Okay. I picked this up about 2 or 3 weeks ago. This is the Black Radiance True Complexion HD Corrector, and I picked it up in the shade Salmon. It's supposed to neutralize and brighten. And I picked this up from Walmart. This was like $3 and some change. And I've just been holding on to it because I don't necessarily always color correct. I don't find the need to, although I personally feel as though I have dark circles, but other than that, I have pretty clear skin. I don't have blemishes or anything to cover up. Just gonna apply this lightly. And you know what? There's a lot of coverage all in one. Like, you don't have to pack it on. You don't need a lot. It's a nice coverage. Might be on to some Black Radiance. is the middle school tea. My middle schooler just came home from school and some girls outside are about to fight.
Just started something with another girl. They just about to fight. Uncle and stuff, and then he was like, what was said?
For real, girl?
Huh?
I said, for real, girl?
Yep.
Hmm?
And then Cece was like, I don't care, because obviously you the one who walking fast, like you scared to fight me.
OMG.
Don't you look like a little...
I'm recording, so I'm not going to talk about nobody's kid.
You recording?
Yes, I told you that when you walked in the front door. You just been...
Can you edit it?
Nope.
Mama!
Why should I have to... Who is it? Now I'm just blending this out with a damp beauty sponge. I don't know if my sponge pulled all the product off my face, but I don't see it. I think it's there. I just think that blend it right into my skin. As opposed to like the orange corrector. The orange corrector, you can normally see it once you blend it out, but this is just melted into my skin, and I like that. And I'm going to set that too with some Sacha Buttercup. Now that it's all set, now we can go in with foundation. And this is a little red on me. In Maybelline Fit Me, I'm 355 Coconut. And this doesn't turn red on me. But in this foundation, it does. I don't know what's the difference. This is a little bit more red, but hey, I love red. I have a yellow undertone, but I prefer red. And with this foundation, I like to just blend it all out with my foundation brush. And then I go back with my fluffy foundation brush, buff it all in. I like the coverage more so this way. This is my e.l.f. foundation blurring brush. And I think I paid like $6 for this at Walmart. I love it. It does a great job at buffing in the foundation. And this foundation do dry down a little faster than I'm used to. So while I'm sitting here running my mouth, I need to be blending this in a little faster because it's already drying down on me. So as you guys can see, once it dries down, it's a pretty good match. Because this is my side with no foundation, and this is this side with foundation. And it's pretty full coverage, as you can see. And that was a total of 2 pumps. Yeah, that was 2 pumps to do this half of my face. And I honestly don't need to go in with any more. It's pretty good. I love it. And it dries down matte, but it's not like a drying matte. Like, it doesn't make you feel like your face is all dried out. It doesn't, to me, in my opinion, it doesn't even feel like I have anything on my face. It's not a heavy foundation either. So yeah, I love this foundation. Get your bang for your buck. Now we're just gonna do the other half of my face. Somebody's standing outside of my door having a whole conversation. These people, my neighbors, they don't want to let me be great while I'm doing my makeup today. I have my Maybelline Instant Age Rewind Eraser, Dark Circles Eraser Concealer, and this is in the shade Tan. And when I tell you, you get your money's worth. It costs like, I think I paid like $7.96 for this at Walmart, $7.90 something, almost $8. And I've had this since February the 23rd, that Friday before my birthday. My birthday was on the 25th, and I used this that Friday for the first time when I went out to celebrate my birthday, and I've been using it up ever since, and look how much I've used already. As you can see, I love it. I also picked up the shade Caramel. I haven't opened it yet because it's actually a little bright. So when I bought them both at the same time, and I feel like tan was a good highlight for me. And so I opened it first, and it was perfect. So this one just a little brighter. So on my days where I want to be a little extra, I use Caramel. But until then, tan it is. Oh, my neighbors are back up. And it has like a sponge applicator. And the way that you bring the product up is you hold on to this and you twist it. Product. And my sponge is damp. Tan is pretty close to my skin tone, but it gives me just enough coverage and just enough highlight. That's how it's all blended out. I don't know what's going on, but my neighbors are now upstairs having a full-blown party. If you guys hearing the music, it's my neighbors upstairs. I can't with these people. One minute they go from stomping everywhere, sound like they're about to come through the floor. Then they're quiet, and then now they lit up there. The lit situation up there. To make sure that I don't leave any harsh edges around where I applied the concealer and blend it out, you always want to go back in with your foundation brush. You don't have to add any new foundation or any new product to the brush. Just blend the outer edges of your concealer. Just blend that remainder foundation on your brush into the concealer, and it just gives you a seamless finish. Now we're going to set this before it gets the chance to crease up on me. And I don't bake. I just take my sponge after I put the powder all on, and I just buff it directly into my skin. Now I'm just going to set the remainder of my face. And I'm going to be using my Black Opal Setting Powder, Soft Velvet Finishing Powder in the shade Medium. I'm just going to set the remainder of my face using my Real Techniques buffing brush. I hear my ratchet neighbor from upstairs outside. Sound like she's talking some real cash money stuff. And I know my husband is supposed to be pulling up. So I'm just hoping she's not talking to him. It's not gonna be good. We have had problems where we have exchanged words in the past. So I don't think she wanna go there. Especially not with him. You wanna say hey to the camera? Come on. Come on. Up. Jump. Come on. Up. Say hello everybody. My name is Eugene. Yeah. Eugene is a girl, but her dad named her a little boy name because he wants a little boy so bad. He had to name his little girl Eugene Jean. And her whole name is Otis Eugene. Your daddy screw your name up, baby. He screw your name up, Jean Jean. Jean Jean Bing Bing. Jean Jean Bing Bing. Tell everybody bye. Mommy have to finish her makeup. Come on, Papa. Come on, Papa. No, you can't touch my makeup. Say bye, everybody. Sit down. Sit down. Eugene had to make her debut. She normally likes everything to be all about her. I work with my mom and I relieve her on Monday nights. So when I come to work all beat, face all beat, Monday nights, the first thing my mom said when I walk into the building is, see that highlight, girl? That just brightened my day. To see my mama's face light up because her daughter's face is snatched. And my mom does her own makeup as well. And she has her own YouTube channel. She do a lot of awesome DIYs. So if you guys want to go check my mom out, her channel is Ladige Creations. And I will be sure to link her channel down in the description box for you guys. Get y'all some cute little crafts going thanks to my mom. My mom is so creative. She's like very creative. And in one of my upcoming videos I plan to do, which is like a haul, like my birthday haul, all the things I got for my birthday as far as makeup and things. And she also made me a great, oh my gosh, a beautiful makeup, a vanity organizer. Like it have 3 drawers, it's all blinged out, have mirrors all around it. Okay, I can't wait to do that video for you guys, so you guys can see what my mom made me. She took the time to make me, and she not only made that vanity organizer, 3-drawer organizer, she also made me a palette holder, and I'm actually gonna go get that because you guys have to see that. My mom is, she good. My mom good. This is the palette holder my mom made me. Miss Ladige made this for her baby. But this is my palette holder. She gave me the little Chanel symbols, the little zebra print, little bling, you feel me? Put my palettes in there. And this is the back of it. How gorgeous is this? And my mom made this. Miss Ladige Creations. You guys go check her out. And my honey is pulling up now. I hear him with that loud music. Baby, there go daddy. You hear daddy? There go daddy. That's what she does every time her dad pull up. Okay, he's coming. He's coming. He's coming. Shh. Black Radiance, you ain't have to do me like that, girl. Look at that melanin come through, girl. Okay, that's how you do, Black Radiance. Just gonna take a little of this as well and place it down the bridge of my nose. I'm not gonna highlight my forehead or my chin today. Not in the mood for that. This is enough right here. And to set, first I'm gonna set using my setting spray.
I told her, bitch, she need to get on my fucking level, ho.
Man, I'm recording. What? Who you told to get on your level?
I just told her, bitch, get on my fucking level, ho. Ho.
Pat, go on, don't talk to him.
Then
I'm not doing a voice over.
I put on that foundation. Once the foundation is up on there, then I put on one concealer. Then I use Mary Mac.
I don't use Mary Kay.
You know.
No!
Are you in the bed?
Fat, I'm not doing a voiceover. I'm talking to the camera right now. Now I'm going to set my entire face using my Urban Decay All-Nighter. And I'm going to moisturize my lips again using my Ruby Kisses lip oil. Okay guys, this is the finished look. I hope that you guys enjoyed this makeup tutorial, this simple glam tutorial. And I hope you guys have fun recreating this look. And if you haven't already, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. I don't know what you're waiting on. It's right there. Hit it. Make sure you click the bell to get notifications for every time that I upload a new video. And until next time, you already know. I love you, Luv Bugz.